This is my 2005 Ford Mustang GT, under 100,000 miles. I have had this problem for the last 6 months periodically where the engine started knocking really loud, sounded like a diesel. I've replaced everything from the starter to tuning it up to coils, spark plugs, throttle body, battery, and the alternator. Problem started to go away, then came back. Anyway, the short of it is I found out that after you do work on a car and you disconnect the battery, if you don't follow certain steps for the computer to relearn, it's going to have trouble idling in certain positions. So the last time we just changed my oil from a leak, we had the battery run down way too low and everything kind of restarted. I finally looked on YouTube and found a guy that ran a video that says for you to, after you disconnect the battery and reconnect it, believe it or not, turn on the ignition, wait for everything to power up, make sure no accessories are on. This is where my problem was. I had an aftermarket stereo someone put in and it didn't seem to power down, and it was interfering with the computer relearning. So once I powered it down completely, then I went through the steps of starting the car, running the air conditioning for 1 minute, then taking it for a drive and going through all the gears one at a time manually, even though it's an automatic, and then came home, turned it off. When I restarted it, it ran great. So I suggest you do that. Hope this was helpful. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks.